Hi, I'm Ryan from Aquacut and we're here today to template a client's garden, and I'm going to be running through the process and how we do this. We now need to take out our tripod and put it on a level ground to make sure we have the best possible coverage for our templating and to make sure it's all nice and even. We will now load up our templating software and go through some necessary checks, such as leveling the plane. So we need 3 points, left, right and centre, to make sure we have a nice big plane to work on for when we're templating. Now we've got everything set up on our templating software, we now can begin. We have to make sure that we have the laser that will bounce off something reflective. So we have these little white sheets that we place on the corners of each of the edges of things that we're measuring. As you can see here, we're measuring the outer perimeter of the pathway that we will need to redo once we get back into the office. But as you can see, we're making our way around, making sure the laser is nice, dead center and straight, and making sure it doesn't move whilst we are templating. Now we've templated the first area, we need to move the templator to a different area to make sure we have enough coverage for the full garden. So to do this, we need to have 3 reflective materials put on points. So you've got the left, right and centre again. Now once these are on, we need to move the laser to these positions, and then we can move the camera. We have to make sure though that the laser can see the reflective materials from each area we are moving to and from. Now the template has moved and we are in our second position. We're now going to begin the templating of the front of the patio and the edge of the pond and the front of the house. Now we're back in the office, we're going to use our CAD software to develop the drawings a little bit more further. So we need to open up our software, open up the drawings. So we've done multiple drawings on site, so bring them all together, make sure it all lines up, connect them all together, and make sure all the dimensions are added and all the annotations are easy visible. We now need to get the material size off the client to make sure and see how many tiles we need per area of the templating job we have just done. Now that the drawing is completed, we will send this off to the client and make sure that they're happy and get their approval. And if we need to make any alterations, we will do so.